Hello friends, welcome to Younger Notes. In this tutorial, you will learn 6 different ways to append text to existing file in Linux terminal. So you have 6 options. Number 1 is using cat command, number 2 is using bat command, number 3 is using echo command, number 4 is using printf command, number 6 is using t command, number 6th one is using lolcat command. So using these 6 ways you can append your text to your existing file. Now we will see the example one by one. First one is a cat command. So cat command is one of the popular command in Linux, and generally it is used for file creation and display merging. And additionally, you can append the text message to end of your file using double greater than symbol, that is append operator. Okay, the syntax is cat space followed by space and double greater than operator followed by file name. So here the file name is an existing input file, that is your old file. Suppose if you are giving new file means it will not append the text, it simply will create the new file. Okay, so in this case you need to give the existing file name. So this is the example. Now I will show the live demo. So this is my sample input file tf.txt. Now I want to append some text to this existing file. Okay, so here I need to add some content. And press enter. So once your input is over, and just type Ctrl C from keyboard. Okay, now just type cat space followed by file name. The last two lines are appended to this existing file using the cat command approach. And this is the first example. And this is the second approach, that is using bat command. Bat is actually a latest Linux command and very similar to cat command. So whatever cat command support, that will be possible using bat command. So using this command we can also append text to end of the file using the same append operator. And the note is I already told that this is a latest Linux command, so by default this command is not available on your machine. So you need to install it externally based on your distribution before to apply it. Okay, so once you install this command you can use it like normal command. So the syntax is bat double greater than and file name, and this is the example. So the syntax is very similar to cat command. Now I will show the examples. So bat double greater than existing file name. So here I am add new text and press enter. Okay, so once your input is over, just type Ctrl C from keyboard. After that you can verify the file using cat space file name file.txt. So here the last lines are appended to the existing file through the bat command. Okay, and third one is using echo command. Generally echo command can be used for displaying the message in the Linux terminal. So using echo command it is also possible to append the text message to end of the file using the same double greater than operator. The syntax is echo followed by message and double greater than operator and file name. So the file name is a existing input file. Okay, and message is your target message to append to the file. Okay, so using echo command you can append text you can append the text message to your file at once. Okay, so it is not possible to add more than one statement. Okay, so that is the difficulties we are using echo command. So now I will show the demo. So just type echo and your message. So in here the messages are limited. Okay, so welcome to Linux. So once you complete, just to provide the space and use a double greater than operator and the existing file name. So the operations are completed, and just verify the content using same cat command. So here welcome to Linux is added at the end of the line. Okay, but using cat command you can add more than one statement at the same time. So but cat echo means it is difficult, so you need to add one by one through the echo command. So this will take much time. That is the difference between cat and echo command in case of the text appending. And next command is printf command. It is very similar to echo command. Like echo command, it will be used for displaying the message in the terminal, and like echo command it will follow the same style to apply the text message to end of the file using the double greater than operator. The syntax is printf and message followed by double greater than operator. The message is your target message and the file is your existing file, and this is the example. Now I will show the example. So printf, and here Linux commands are powerful. Okay, and followed by double greater than symbol and followed by your existing file name. So here /n, that is new line, it is optional, it is not a mandatory. So the operations are now has completed, and I can verify the file using same file name using cat command. So here you can see the line, new line, that is Linux commands are powerful. Okay, so in this way you can also append the message to your existing file. And fifth one is a lolcat command. Actually it is a latest Linux command like bad, and it support operations similar to cat command. So whatever operations are possible using cat command, that is also possible in lolcat command. Okay, and additionally it provides the two important features. One is if you want to show text animation, that is possible with the lolcat command. Okay, and by default lolcat command will display the output in the rainbow color, unlike cat command. So this is the two important features of the lolcat command. And notice by default this command is not installed information, so you need to install it before before applying this command. Okay, so the syntax is, it follows the same syntax like cat command, lolcat followed by double greater than and your existing file name. So this is a sample example. Now I will show the examples. So just type lolcat and followed by double greater than symbol and your existing file name, and here you can enter multiple lines that you want. Okay, so here I need to add lolcat is a new Linux command, and lolcat is similar to cat command. Now once we complete, just press Ctrl C from keyboard. Now you can see the output. Again just type cat space tf.exe. So the last two lines are added to end of the file. Even you can display the file using lolcat command. So lolcat always display the output in rainbow color. So that is the new features. So here you can see the different colors. Okay. And last one is using T command. Generally T command can be used in the pipe operation. So using this command, it is also possible to append the text message to enter the file using the special argument named /a. Okay, that is option A. So option A indicates stands for append. Okay, the syntax is T followed by option A and followed by your file name. So the file name is an existing file, and this is the sample example. Okay. So in the last 5 commands, we have used the double greater than symbol for append operation. But for T command, there is no need to use a double greater than symbol. Simply we can use the letter option A. Option A indicates append. Okay. And another important thing is, whatever you using T command, the T command performs a dual role. So at a time it will write or append the text to file, at the same time it will display the output in the terminal. So it performs a dual task. Now I will show the demo. So here T option A, that is append, and using the existing file name. Just press enter, and here it is waiting for user input. So here I am giving T is a one of the Linux command. So listen please, once we complete, if you press enter means this line will be automatically append to the file tf.text. At the same time the line will be displayed again in the terminal. So here the line will be added to the file and the line will be displayed in the terminal. Again if you want to add some text, you can add. Okay, now if you want to finish, just press Ctrl C from keyboard. Okay, now if you want to check the output, just type cat space tf.txt. So the last 2 lines hi, the last 3 lines, T is one of the Linux command is added here, and hi is added here, and hello is added here. So in this way you can append the text to your existing file using the T command. The important option is option A. So in this tutorial you learned 6 different ways to append the text to end of the file in the Linux terminal. I hope these tips are useful to you. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share our channel. Thanks for watching.